In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cloudflare's SSL certificate. If you've ever wondered how to securely encrypt your web traffic using Cloudflare, you're in the right place. This process is essential to ensure that the data exchanged between your server and its visitors is safe, and setting it up is more straightforward than you might think. So, let's dive into the details and walk through the steps together. First off, you'll want to navigate to the Cloudflare dashboard and select the domain you wish to secure. This is the web address that you'll be applying the SSL certificate to, which ensures that all communication to and from your site is private and secure. Once you're there, look for and click on the SSL TLS tab. It should be easy to spot in the dashboard menu. From there, head over to the subsection titled Origin Server. This is where you have the opportunity to create your SSL certificate. Now, you'll see an option to Create Certificate. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, you have the choice to let Cloudflare automatically generate a private key and a certificate signing request. Or if you already have your own CSR, you can paste it in here. For many users, allowing Cloudflare to generate these elements is the most convenient option. However, if you have specific requirements or need to include particular information in your CSR, using your own might be the way to go. Next, you need to specify which hostnames you want the certificate to cover. Think about all the variations of your domain. You might include the root domain like example.com, and also perhaps a wildcard domain like example.com, which covers all subdomains. This ensures that your SSL certificate protects every possible entry point to your site. Moving on, you'll need to decide on the validity period of the certificate. Cloudflare allows you to set this for up to 15 years. It's worth considering how long you plan to maintain this particular web setup when deciding on the length. Longer validation means less frequent renewals, but you should always ensure that your security measures are up to date with the latest standards. Lastly, it's time to choose the format for your SSL certificate. If you're deploying your web server on a Unix system, using the PEM format is typically recommended, as it's compatible with most server configurations and widely recognized across different platforms. And there you have it. Once you've completed all these steps, your domain will have a Cloudflare SSL certificate in place, safeguarding your users' data with robust encryption. Remember, securing your site with SSL is not just about protection. It also builds trust with your visitors. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in setting up your Cloudflare SSL certificate. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment. Stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.